Okay, rice cake machine SYP5804 triangle T 5804T T-time coated moulds and switch box position CE the Poland. Alright, very crispy. Okay, temperature 230. So 4 switches here of position and 3 control dialers. Thickness speed 4.7. Thickness 0, and depth of core is 3.5 at the first setting. And pressure. Around 75 or 80, around 80. So chip thin type. Okay, it's the emergency button here, and send out the cylinder and pressure support valve below the cylinder. Three solenoid valve provide the electric signal to the machine. The lights is as per the movement of the cylinder. Okay, and cage motor and pump. Oil tank and fan. Fan must be on all the time when the machine works. It's white rice and brown rice 50-50% mix. Feeding plate here and processor the red light. Feeding plate go forward, you turn off and come back to the fully to the end, turn on again, otherwise you cannot go to the next stop. 2 springs when the feeding plate bring back. Drive motor and gear head to forward the feeding plate. It's oil valve updated. And check valve and relief valve. It's aluminum block. It's a relief valve related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench. Turn clockwise, increase pressure. On clockwise, decrease pressure. Okay. Alright. And it's a control box here. It's inverter. It's a 60 Hz. There's the reset button there, and SSR is a take a roll to keep the stable temperature, and breaker and contactor and relays on PCB. PCB is the brain of this machine. It's oil tank, 20 liters of hydrogen oil inside.